grilled cake sandwich. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. This is Saurabh, and continuing with the Men Can Cook series of recipes, today I am making grilled cake sandwich. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. Banana, pears, strawberries, mixed fruit jam, vanilla sponge cake. So these were some basic ingredients which are very readily available in any supermarket around you. So let's quickly start with the recipe. Now over here I have taken a cake loaf, which is a square vanilla sponge cake, plain vanilla sponge cake. You can also take a round one if a square one is not available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it from here, maybe in the center. So you get two pieces of it, and I would remove some thick slices of the cake, something like this, thick slices, almost 1 inch thick, like this. So this is it. Similarly, we'll cut some more slices out of the cake loaf. So after cutting our cake into slices like this, we would apply some jam. Now over here I have mixed fruit jam which I have taken. You can alternatively use any jam which is available at home. Let's apply some generous amount of jam. Here goes our jam on the cake slices. This is the third one. Some more jam on this slice as well, like this. Make sure that the jam is evenly spread on the cake slices. So let's keep this aside. We are done with the jam on our cake slice. So after applying the jam on our bread slices, let's slice some fruits. Now over here I have a pear. So we'll cut this pear into half. First remove the seeds. So after removing the seeds from here in the between, let's slice the pears. So here it is, sliced pears. So we'll place them as we place our normal vegetables in our normal sandwiches, like this, randomly, wherever required. So after these pears, let's add some strawberries. These are fresh strawberries that I have, as you can see. Let's hull them and slice them, like this. Would need some more strawberries. So let's slice some more, like this. So let's place our strawberries randomly, wherever required. Let's slice some more strawberries. So here goes our sliced strawberries. Now we'll add some bananas in it, some slices of bananas. So let's peel our banana. So we'll slice our bananas like this. Not so thick, but not so thin as well. Some bananas on our sandwich, nice grilled sandwich like this. So here it is, as you can see, our sandwich which is made up of cake, pear, bananas, strawberries and jam as well. So let's cover this with another slice of cake. Let's cover the next one as well, like this. So after assembling our sandwiches over here, I have a grill which I have preheated over here, like this. So what we'll do is we'll place our sandwiches on the griller like this, another one like this, and we'll grill them until they are nice and crisp. So let's have a look at these sandwiches. So as you can see over here, they are nice, grilled and crisp. So let's remove them. So let's cut our sandwiches. We'll cut them into nice triangles. So let's cut another sandwich also, like this. Let's secure our sandwiches with toothpicks. The sandwiches are now ready to serve. So let's serve our sandwiches in a plate. So here it is, nice and crisp grilled cake sandwich.